I walked the long road home, snow biting at my heels, carried every broken truth that time refused to heal. The night kept calling softly, like a name I used to know, and the dark felt like a memory, begging me to follow.
They said you wandered somewhere past the ridge where shadows sleep, where the trees lean in like secrets that the forest swore to keep. I searched for you in echoes, in the breath between the leaves. A ghost don't leave a footprint, only hearts that never leave.
Where the cold winds keep their stories, where the daylight never speaks. That's where I lost you in the silence. That's where the night fell deep. If you're hiding in the darkness, or you're gone beyond the reach, I'll still wait where the cold winds keep. I'll still wait where the cold winds keep.
I'll still wait where the cold winds keep. I found your coat near the tree line, frost blooming on the seam, like winter tried to swallow what was left of all your dreams. Maybe you were running from the truth you couldn't face. Maybe you were searching for a world with softer grace. I called your name through silence till my voice turned into smoke, till the pines began to whisper like the words we never spoke. Sometimes the ones we love the most are the ones who drift away, not because they meant to vanish, but they never learned to stay.
The cold winds keep their stories,
where the daylight never speaks. That's where I lost you in the silence. That's where the night fell deep. If you're hiding in the darkness, or you're gone beyond the reach, I'll still wait where the cold winds keep. I'll still wait where the cold winds keep.
Maybe some folks are missing, maybe they're choosing to disappear. Sometimes the world gets loud enough that a quiet forest feels like mercy. Sometimes the ones we chase are chasing peace we can't provide, but love stays, even when people don't.
The seasons turn without you, but your shadow never left. I still trace it on the treetops like the outline of a breath. If the night has truly claimed you, if the cold has made you sleep, I'll carry all you couldn't, and I'll hold what you could keep.
Where the cold winds keep their stories,
Where your footsteps turn to grief, I lay my hope among the branches. Let the silence give me peace. If the world pulls you back someday, or the dark lets go its reach, you'll find me where the cold winds keep. You'll find me where the cold winds keep. You'll find me where the cold